Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurdiyanie binti BAJURI. Today I will present create table bill using SQL. The first one is bill number. The data type we use is integer, not null, and unique. The bill date we use date, time, and not null. The type of medicine we use voucher 50, not null. The bill amount we use voucher 100, not null. And the patient ID we use integer. And the foreign key of this table we use bill number. And the foreign key we use patient ID that refers to patient table. And this is the result of bill table. The second one is create table diagnosis. The first one is diagnosis number. The data type we use is integer, not null, and unique. The second one is diagnosis detail. We use voucher 70, not null. Diagnosis remark, we use voucher 70, not null. Diagnosis date, we use date, time, not null. Patient ID we use integer, and the primary key of this table we use diagnosis number, and the foreign key we use patient ID that refer to patient table. And this is the result of diagnosis table. The third one is create table doctor. First one is we use doctor ID. The data type we use is integer, not null, unique. Doctor name we use voucher 20, not null. Doctor phone we use voucher 20, not null. Doctor gender we use voucher 15, not null. Doctor address we use voucher 50, not null. Doctor qualification we use voucher 30, not null. And the primary key of this table is doctor ID. And this is the result of doctor table. Next is create table patient. First one is patient ID. The data type we use is integer, not null, unique. Patient first name we use voucher 60, not null. Patient last name we use voucher 60, not null. Patient age we use integer, not null. Patient gender we use voucher 30, not null. Patient address we use voucher 90, not null. Patient phone number we use voucher 90, not null. And the doctor ID we use integer and not null. For the primary key of this table we use patient ID, and the foreign key we use doctor ID that refer to doctor table. And this is the result of table patient. And the last one is create table staff. The first one is staff ID. The data type we use is integer, not null, and unique. The staff name we use voucher 30, not null. Staff gender we use voucher 30, not null. Staff address we use voucher 90, not null. Staff phone number we use voucher 90, not null. And the doctor ID that we use is integer. For the primary key, we use staff ID, and the foreign key we use doctor ID that refers to doctor table. So this is the result of staff table. Okay, so I'm the second presenter. We'll show the for delete function. So we want to delete from staff table the staff ID 238. So we delete all from staff where staff ID 238. The second one is end function. We select patient ID, patient first name, patient last name, patient age, patient address, patient phone number from patient table where patient age below 40 and patient address at Kangar. So this is the result where the patient ID, patient age at below 40 and the patient address stay at Kangar. So the second one is comparison bill amount. Select bill number, type medicine, bill amount, patient ID from bill table where bill amount below or equal to 400 ringgit. So this is the result where the bill amount is below 400 ringgit. Next is not like function. we select patient first name, patient last name, patient age, patient gender from patient table, where patient gender not like male, female. So the result will show all the patient that is male. The last one is order by ascending. So we select patient ID, patient first name, patient last name, patient age, patient gender, patient phone number from patient table, order by patient age. So the result will show ascending patient age. So for the update patient, we update patient table, set patient address that stay at Kangang where patient ID 5085. So this is the result. So I'm the third presenter. My name uh, my name is ATIA MAISARA binti MOHAMMAD FADZLI. So I'll be presenting about the login screen. So for this login screen, the user can insert their ID and password. For employee and staff, they can also log in for this from this web to check on the billing system. So after they click on login, there's a page main menu which they can choose whether to see doctor, staff, patient or bill. So if we select one, for example doctor, we can enter the doctor ID such as 1020. So we can see from here the doctor name Matilda. She is treating one patient whose name is Siti Saliha. So we move on to report. So the objective of our project is our hospital's pharmacy management can facilitate us to explore all activities happening in hospital. We can also get to know the current status of a patient, medical report of a patient, and upcoming appointment for the doctors. The hospital management system is an automated version of manual hospital management system. It can handle all details about the hospital's pharmacy. The details include patient's details, doctor's detail, patient diagnosis detail, and billing details. Maintaining backup is very easy as almost all work here is computerized, which make the accuracy maintained. It can be done only in few minutes. So the next one is roles and responsibilities of our project. So the project manager is Nurdiyanie binti NORHISHAM. She is responsible for project successful completion. She will ensure that project proceeds within the specific time frame and under the established time budget. While achieving the objectives, managers typically create weekly work schedules, train new employees, and arrange staff workshops or new technique and procedures. So the next one is database designer, which is Nurdiyana NABIHAH binti BAJURI. She is responsible for defining the detailed database design and data modeling. She also has to ensure that the database system will be in arrangement in systematic. The last one is the programmer, which is ATIA MAISARA binti MOHAMMAD FADZLI. The programmer is responsible to prepare data for database expansion. She also handles coding in Access database. Besides, she also maintains database result by setting enforcing standard and controls. So in our project, there are 8 business rules. The first one is one doctor may treat many patients. The second one is one patient may be treated by many doctors. The third one is one doctor may assign many staff. The fourth one is a staff may be assigned by many doctors. The fifth one is one patient will be prescribing by many diagnoses. The sixth one is one diagnosis may be prescribing by many patients. The seventh one is one patient may receive one bill, and the last one is one bill may be receiving by one patient. So that's all for our project presentation. Thank you.